So it is what, 38 degrees this morning.
Whack.
I really need to learn how to shift out on these wheelies. But yeah, 38, 37, 38 degrees. I've got these Kimimoto gloves on, some warmer, that warm R undergarment gear with jeans, t-shirt, and a hoodie on over the top of that. Oh, God bless America. Bitch wouldn't fucking change gears. Anyway, it's needless to say, it's cold, and I've got my rain suit over the top of everything. Rain jacket, riding jacket, hoodie, t-shirt, warmer gear, tank top. On the bottom, all I have is the warmer gear, jeans, and my rain gear pants, and just tennis shoes, Kimimoto gloves, and we're about to head out. Just getting off work, got a good, I don't know, 45-minute ride to the house. I have a Scorpion helmet, which is supposed to have anti-fog coating on the inside of it. And it works well enough, but up around the top, especially around the right side, it does not defog. Like, I have a serious area of fogginess on that right side around my eye, which isn't good. And I have the chin vent like halfway open so that it should vent up the front of the visor, but for whatever reason, I mean, I have a baklava, whatever you call it, ski mask on, but you know, it does it on cold mornings anyway, even if I don't have that on. So I don't know. I said I was going to take it slow, but man, it's like either go a little bit slower, spend more time in the cold, or speed and go ahead and get it over with. You know what I mean? One of the two.
Whack.
Can't wait for that Florida fishing weather to kick in. Got a kayak looking real sad on the back porch right now. I rode into work yesterday, so yesterday was a beautiful day, and I knew it was going to be this cold this morning, but I still wanted to take the opportunity to ride my bike in that beautiful day. And I had something I had to do, you know, about an hour away from my house, and it was gonna be a nice ride, so I drove my motorcycle up there. Well, I had to then go from there straight to work another hour, and I said to myself, you know, I'll just pack that thermal gear and my rain suit, and I'll be good to go. And you know what? I think I was right. It's not I'm not getting cold right now. You know, there has been mornings where I drove back home from work, and by the time that I got this far was already miserable. And you know, from this point on, it was just focused in on hurrying up and getting home, so you don't think about how cold it is. But I have to say that this gear is working pretty good. I rode into work, but I was getting back to what I was saying. I rode into work with just jeans, you know, my jacket, hoodie, and t-shirt. And I got about halfway to work and I had to pull out the rain jacket because it was cold. Like, it was in the 50s, but as soon as the sun went down, temperature felt like it dropped significantly. And I got kind of worried, like, oh man, did I pack enough clothes? Am I gonna be layered up enough to ride home safely? Or not safely, but to ride home, you know, comfortably in the morning? So far so good. I have to say, if you're gonna be cold, you're like within like 10 minutes, you'll know how cold you're gonna get, because your gear will have succumbed to the cold by that time. But so far I'm good. If you break the winds from getting into the gear, it allows for the base layers to retain that heat that your body is giving off. I was so hoping to get a nice sunrise this morning, but it doesn't look like we're going to get it. There's too much cloud cover maybe, because by this time there's usually a really nice orange, you know, kaleidoscope of colors on the horizon. Ooh, I wonder if this is a motorcycle or a car. Motorbike, is he gonna wave? Negative, Ghost Rider. Sport bike rider, blowing smoke. Oil, damn bro. Bro smoking. He's just trying to get home, burning oil like a bitch. Bro was blowing oil. I'm gonna catch his ass on Facebook roasting. If he leaving over here this time of morning, he gonna be on the Facebook group. I'm gonna roast his ass as bad as his rings are roasted in that engine. Alright, we're gonna step it up. We're getting close. I'm ready to get to the house. I still ain't cold, so we're gonna kick it up a little bit. I'm gonna give a round of applause to this gear I was wearing today, because it's 40 degrees and 39 degrees, 38 degrees, whatever, and I am fine. Like, I'm not toasty, but good enough. I'm not uncomfortable whatsoever.
Whack, whack.
I'm done for the day. Catch y'all next time.